Hi, Chris Curry, we're man here. We're still in Pittsburgh, Kansas. Wait out the fucking rain. Another day, another fucking dollar. Well, at least we got a little something to celebrate with.
Cheers, sir.
All right, baby. Peace out.
At least the rain's letting up now that everything's soaked.
Anytime that comes, we drive back up.
Yeah, without a doubt.
At least we didn't get soaked today. I did.
Yeah, I got a little wet. Got a little wet.
Just one of those fucking days. We could have waiting. We could have found a fucking freight train to Kansas City by now, but we was told it was going to rain like hell. It's supposed to storm real bad. It's supposed to be fucking 40 days and 40 nights of flooding in one night.
There was a tornado warning, without a doubt.
Yeah. Did the tornado warn us, or was the tornado warning us? That's the big thing. Like, yeah, don't go there as holos. They'll fucking kick your ass. Well, last night I got woke up by fucking meth heads walking by. And they've never seen anybody camp out before. Oh shit, what is that? There's a dog there. I'm like, you don't say.
Are people sleeping? Oh my god. Insanity.
Got to be about at night. I mean, if they do come by tonight, I'm gonna fucking chase their ass off. I hate that shit. Every time I was in Chicken Shays, camped at like 4 o'clock in the morning, they come by like, what the fuck, man? There's a guy camping over there in the woods. Where people normally camp at? It's because I'm not your fucking meth lab, you know? We need to do away with meth heads. They're nutrient society, so forth.
I think it's a problem that solves itself.
Yeah.
You know, like inevitably they'll just disappear, right?
Not as quick as Harry usually. I'd rather do it with home bombs. I'd rather be told it's illegal to do what I'm doing. I don't give a fuck. I'm doing it anyway. When the cops come and tell me you can't do it, alright, I'm still going to do it, just don't let you see me do it.
Yeah, like riding trains.
Right.
You can't ride trains, that's illegal. Oh, alright, well, I'll wait till it's nighttime then.
You should. You don't know what we're going to do anyway. I've been in worse places than jail. I've been to Iraq and Afghanistan, so it really don't matter to me.
Been to Shreveport, I get it.
Wait, hell, I've been to jail in Shreveport.
Remember?
I've been to jail in NOLA. I've been to jail in Chicago, LA, New York.
My favorite part about NOLA, I was in NOLA for like 2 weeks. My favorite part was leaving. Yeah.
I've been kicked out of Canada twice. Holy shit. The Canadian jails are better than U.S. jails, but, you know, actually smoking there and they give you cigarettes, so I was like, hey, you know.
But you get the smoke and the polite to you.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
And you get some, and you got decent, better food. That's where I was at.
Some poutine.
One of those detention center type things. Minus the space blanket and the cyclone fence. Pretty good at crawling out of the fences, but can't you crawl out of those? Yeah. Well, they want longer videos. They want a longer video.
Oh, yeah? Well, we're out of stuff to say, so.
Biden sucks.
Politics in general. Wasting time.
We should overthrow the government. Right? Kind of easier said than done. I mean, it's a little easier to talk about it than it is to do it.
That's what you get for not cheersing me. That's karma right there. Instant karma.
We got the wrong pipe.
Yeah, we're gonna wait this rain out. Right, we gotta wait till tomorrow. It's gonna rain all day, and then rain the next day a little bit, and then let up a little bit, and we should be out of here. You know, we should be able to grab a train on out. We're gonna try to set up a tarp shelter tonight. Rain is letting up a little bit. Hopefully it works out.
Yeah, stop raining for a little bit.
Yeah, it's letting up. I feel like by the time I get off my lazy ass to go do that, it's gonna pick back up. But hopefully find a dry spot, make it work.
Well, guess now's a good time to do it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you later.